9 skills you can learn to earn money online. Working online looks like it's going to become the new normal, and it's only been accelerated. This is great news for online students who want to earn money online. These are the skills we recommended learning. Number one, virtual assistants. Virtual assisting is an amazing way to kick start an online career and income without a ton of experience or tech skills. It's the same as an executive assistant secretary, but online. Virtual assistants complete all manner of. Number two, web design and development. Web design and development is a digital skill within graphic design which needs special mention since it is such a great way to earn money online. Web designers and developers design and they then build website for the clients, usually using tools that make it very simple to convert a design into a real website. There are so many no-code tools available now that websites can be created with absolute zero coding knowledge, and yet every business in the world needs a website to showcase their products and or service. Graphic design, it's you are a creative person and an artist at heart, then learning graphic design is a great way to monetize your natural talent. Graphic designers are responsible for creating everything in the aesthetics realm, realm of the digital world. Paid advertising, software development, search engine optimization,